Los Angeles, are you ready?
Ready.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Hey, you already know what it is. The biggest V-Class show in the world. Do I need to repeat that again? In the world. It's March 15th, the 5th annual Fishtailz Magazine Custom Motorcycle Super Show. Do not miss out, it's all going down 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. The baddest show on the planet. Get your tickets at